Yes, and the name is Philip, Kyoto.
Yes, yeah, QSL, over.
Yeah, fine, Philip. Yeah, well, anyway, nice to hear you. I spoke to a station, a Hotel Lima station, the other night, actually, on 15. Wasn't you, it was another station, but yeah, I spoke to Song at HL5 Fox Echo Echo, and he was very strong, like yourself. So we seem to be having some pretty good conditions at the moment on 15 meters around about this sort of time. QRZ for Mike 0 JWK.
Hotel Lima 1, Sugar Bravo.
Yeah, the Sugar Bravo, go ahead.
Yeah, this is HR1SB, Hotel Lima 1, Sugar Bravo. Yeah, John, good morning from South Korea, and good evening to you, John. It's been a long time. This is Philip. My name is Philip. It's been a long time, but the first time on 15-meter band. Very, very good to see you again. Back to you, John, over.
Yes, and the name is Philip, Kyoto.
Yes, yeah, QSL, over.
Yeah, fine, Philip. Yeah, well, anyway, nice to hear you. I spoke to a station, a Hotel Lima station, the other night, actually, on 15. Wasn't you, it was another station, but yeah, I spoke to Song at HL5 Fox Echo Echo, and he was very strong, like yourself. So we seem to be having some pretty good conditions at the moment on 15 meters around about this sort of time. Anyway, you're very nice 5 and 9, Philip. So no problems at all. Great signal and great audio as well. So hope you're keeping well. And I wonder. I think you said we spoke before. So I wonder which have we spoke on 15 or on other bands, if you got the computer log. Anyway, back to you. HL1 Sugar Bravo, Mike 0 JWK.
Okay, Mike 0 JWK. This is HR1 Sugar Baker. Okay, John, lovely talking. Yeah, this morning the propagation is really good on 15-meter band. Yeah, it's amazing. It's unusual propagation condition, I think. Yeah, anyway, we have met 3 times on 10-meter band before. That time, the spring season maybe, the 10-meter band condition was very good, but now the 28 megahertz 10-meter band is very poor conditions. Yeah, today is a really good condition. Your signal 59, peaking over 9 sometimes, and very stable signal. I can hear very clear, good audio. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, my working condition is same and not changed. Hex beam antenna and 500 watts. Yes, and here South Korea is a rainy season and very hot weather almost every day. And just now the rain is stopped, but very high humidity, so it makes a very sticky, steamy hot. Yeah. Yeah, now local time 6:35 a.m. 6:35 a.m. early morning here. So outside the temperature is a little bit cooling down. Yeah. Okay. I believe your weather is not so good. The bad weather this time, but I heard England. It's very cool weather during summer season. So I heard you don't need to AC even hot summer season. Yes. Okay. Anyway, back to you. How have you been doing, John? I'm Mike 0 Japan Whiskey Kilo from HR1 Sierra Bravo.
Yeah, hi, Philip. Yeah, well, it's not been doing too bad, Philip. I'm not, like you say, I've not done much on 10 meters. I think I spoke to my friend in Western Australia, VK6 India Alpha. Spoke to him 2 weeks ago, I think, on 10. So that was only briefly, and he was fairly low down. But so yeah, there is a bit of propagation on 10, but you just got to be on at the right time. But I think probably another another month, 6 weeks, and I think 10 metres will probably start to open up again between Far East and Europe. I'm sure it will. So we'll look forward to that. But I've been enjoying some pretty good conditions on 20 and 17 actually over the last few weeks. It's been quite good into the Pacific and also South America course, and the odd station around the Far East coming through. So it's not been too bad. But just this last few nights, 15 metres. I wasn't on last night. I had to go out, but the last few nights, 15 has been quite good, you know. So it's nice to hear this band improving. So it's so easy to hold the QSO. If you let your signal 5 and 9, my noise level is about a 2.5 the S points of the noise. So you're armchair coffee. So no problems at all, Philip. And yeah, so I've been a bit busy, been very busy at the works QTH and also on the farm, so I've not had too much radio time, unfortunately. I keep wanting to put a new feed line to my, I've got a large loop, 160 metre loop up at about 20 metres high, but it's only got the 450 ohm American cable to it. It's a twin feed line, but it keeps breaking, unfortunately. It's a long length, but I'm hoping to try and put a 600 ohm open wire feed line to it. So that's the plan. But I keep finding other jobs to do, unfortunately. The XOL keeps giving me extra chores. Yeah, so, well, anyway, you've got your warm rainy season, but we've got the cold rainy season. So it's just been a terrible 12 months, actually. We've had 12 months of bad weather, just with the odd good day in there. So it's appalling, really. But never known it quite this bad for this long. So it's all to do with the jet stream, Philip. It's coming across from North America, and it's supposed to go between Scotland and Iceland. That's where it's supposed to be. But for the last 12 months, it's been sitting right over the top of the central part of the UK and dumping all these low pressure systems on us, which are full of rain. So it's not been good. But quite a bit of Northern Europe has been affected. You know, Germany and I think Northern France, they've had bad weather as well. But now in southern, in the Mediterranean area, they've been burning up again. So I don't think as bad as last year. They haven't had it as bad as last year, but they have had it very warm again. So they're having, and also the Eastern Europe, they've had very, very hot weather as well. So one extreme to the other. So it'd just be nice to get something around sort of mid-20s. You know, that would be nice, and just the odd bit of sunshine every now and again would help. Anyway, I won't moan anymore, Philip, so I'll put it back to there. But I haven't been on, say 10 and 12, I've not really been doing a great deal, because every time I go on there, they normally, it seems closed at the moment. HL1 Sugar Baker, Mike 0 JWK.
Okay, Mike 0 JWK, this is HR1 Sugar Baker. Okay, thank you for sharing your weather conditions there. Yes, very cool summer season you are spending, and yeah, I guess the northern part of the planet, the Nordic island, Nordic countries, and Scotland, and the northern part of England is relatively very cool summer season, I think. Yes. A couple of years ago, I have been to Nordic country, Norway and Sweden, such Nordic countries during summer season, end of July. But temperature was 24, 25, and very low humidity, so it's very comfortable weather condition there. Yeah, anyway, we are suffering from the very hot summer season, yes. And if the rainy season stopped, after stopping rainy season, the temperature suddenly going up to maybe almost 40 degrees Celsius, maybe 38, 37 is normal during summer season in South Korea, Seoul. Anyway, it's really good condition. Your signal is constantly picking overnight all the way. Maybe you are using very, very high performance cubical quad antenna, for multiband. Yeah, so you're talking about VK6 India America, talking to him on the 10-meter band a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago. Yeah, 10-meter band is still going on, not so bad. Maybe it's depending on the time, and you have a very high performance antenna system, so you can work with some DX station even such a poor condition. I believe that. Yeah, anyway, John, it's very lovely talking to you again. And I'm very happy to see you again on 10-meter band, 15-meter band for first time this morning. And your local time is 10 p.m.? Near 10 p.m., yeah? Yeah, I think it's time to going to bed to you. Okay, anyway, thank you for nice talking again. And take care. And you are spending a very busy time on your farm, so you have no enough time to working radio. But I hope to see you again soon. Anyway, it was very, very good condition and good signal. So I'm very happy to working with you again. Back to you for final, John. Mike 0, Japan Whiskey Kilo from HR1 Sugar Baker, over.
Yeah, no problem, Philip from M0JWK. Just let me know what radio you're running. I don't think you mentioned. Just remind me what's the radio your side. But it's a very good audio quality, Philip. And say with this band being so good between us, it's fantastic to hear the audio quality coming across. I was going to say to you there, I was going to ask you about the temperatures, but I think you said it quite regularly gets up around the 37 mark. Well, we actually, believe it or not, we did get to 40 degrees in 2022. So that was a very warm summer. We had, I think, about 4 heat waves that summer, and it was pretty dry as well. So it was almost too hot. So one extreme to the other, it was too hot then. But he said he'd never break 40 degrees in the UK, but he did do. And that was in, I think, end of July, beginning of August in 2022. But so last year started off well, but then it was very poor. And then it's continued to be poor for the last 12 months, really. But anyway, thanks for the call, Philip. Just let me know your radio, and then we'll just check if anybody else is by. Then I won't have to be too late because unfortunately I've got to be at the works QTH at 5:30 in the morning. So I'll have to be up pretty early in the morning. So and I've been sort of only operating in the evenings really, because what's happened is with the spring being so wet. The ground was so wet, we couldn't do any jobs on the field in the spring, so it's all collided together. So now we're sort of trying to do the harvesting and then do other jobs as well that should have been done in the spring. So it's very, very little time for radioing at the moment, but I just do a little bit in the evenings after the work is done there. Okay, 7-3's Philip, and nice to work you on 15 metres. And we look forward to maybe 12 next time if you get on 12 at all. And so I'm sure we'll hear you on 10 in a couple of months' time. HO1 Sugar Baker, Mike 0 JWK. Very good day to you, Philip, and thanks for the call.
Okay, John, fine copy. Yes, my radio is TS 890 Sugar, Tango Sugar 890 Sugar. I use the same radio, and thank you for the report of my audio qualities. Yes, I'm using some external audio processing systems with some condensed microphone. Yes, a little bit unique microphone. You can see my audio processing system on my qrg.com. Yes. Okay, anyway, I heard that it was 40 degrees Celsius on 2022 global warming. Okay, anyways, thank you for the nice contact, John. Good night to you, and see you again soon. Back to you for final. Mike 0, Japan Whiskey Kilo, Hotel Lima 1 Sugar Bravo. Back to you for final 73. Bye-bye.
Okay, Phil. Yeah, I should have known it was the 890 because you very very beautiful audio. So they do work very well, don't they? I think the 870 is not a lot different audio-wise, but obviously the receiver on your 890 is far superior. People tell me the 890 is better than the 990 on the receive. So, but I guess it's a slightly newer technology. Okay, 73's Phil, and thanks for the contact. Bye for now.
Yeah, okay, John. Yeah, your signal also very good, and audio quality is very good. No problem. Yes. Okay. Anyway, John, thank you. See you again. Bye bye. 73.
Yeah, bye for now, Philip.
Thank you.